Hello mga kabutika, meron naman po tayong padadalhan na quasi-franchisee ng initial stock worth 60,000 pesos. Ito po ay ang Medicare Calbayog Pharmacy located in Calbayog, Western Samar. So nationwide, pwede pong mag-franchise. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, pwede pong mag-franchise. And may kasama na po yung FDA compliance materials, katulad po ng mga logbooks. We have compilation of laws, person with disability, senior citizen, and prescription logbooks. Also, we have names and patient counseling book which is originally published by Wizard Pharmacy. Also, we have calibrated thermometer na meron na pong kasamang calibration certificate which is valid for 1 year. And meron din po tayong graduated cylinder, 50 ml, and also tablet counting tray. Meron din po tayong mga laminated posters na kailangan na ilagay natin sa mga butika, gaya po ng GMAP, MDRP, Generic Dispensing Flow Chart. And also we provide Risk Management Plan or RMP, Standard Operating Procedure or SOP, and also Generics Menu Card. Yun lamang po mga butika. Maraming salamat.